This conference will now be
Welcome
recorded.
to again in class. So our topic is cable and types of cable. This is important syllables, okay? Important syllables in this one. So I will again recap to you main topics. What is the main topics? So again I will recap to you, okay? So cable and its types. Our classes, cables and its types. This is the important syllables, okay? So we can so many interview is asking from this syllabus to questions. How many types of cable? What is cable core? And how many sizes are cable? What is new color code and old color code? So many questions are coming in this syllabus to interview. So I will mostly recap one by one, okay? These are the cable. All types of cable is available here. Control cable, bunch of cable, and this is power cable and instrumentation cable, one core, two core. This is all are one core, and this is the two core, and this is bundles of the wires. Controls cable, okay? So this is the diagrams of cables. Next one, what is cable? Important this one. What is cable? Cable is a one conductor. You can tell short answer. Cable is a one conductor. What is cable? Some interview is asking, what is cable? Cable is a one conductor. They are to running in power supply, current. You can tell like that. But in briefly, systematic answer definition is a cable is a conductor in which one and more insulated wire running side by side or bundles of the wire. Okay, briefly definition. But in interview time asking, you can tell cable is a one conductor. There is running electricity. Control types and power, electrical power. Okay, you can tell like that. Cable is a one conductor. What is cable? So if the good definition writing time, you should be writing like that. Okay, interview time. Suppose in interview you going to interview 5 minutes or 10 minutes your interview. So this times you can give the hundred of questions answers sometime. So many questions is asking in client. So you try to give the short answer and correct answer that time. Not in briefly. If you writing that time you can writing in like that. But in interview time you should be give the short and correct answer. Cable is a one conductor, there is running electricity. You can tell like that in interview time. But writing time you should be writing in this one. So it is carry electrical current, analog signals and digital signals up to the equipment. So I am already told three types of cable: power cable, control cable and instrumentation cable. So power cable carry the current, and another instrumentation cable and control cable is carry the digital signals, analog signals, all are carrying, okay, equipment to up to the panel. Okay, so we have the this all types of cable is there: armored cable, non armored cable, fiber optical cable, all are there available. Okay, so this is the diagram of the cable. Yes, this all are using in control cable. This one also control cable, this is control cable, this is fiber optical instrumentation cable, this is the peer cable, and this one is RYB. This is, and this is power cable. This two is power cable. This is 4 core, this is 3 core. Okay, so What is cable? Interview time asking, you can tell cable is a one conductor. There is running electricity. You can tell like that. Clear answer this one. But in writing time, you should be writing in this one. Main parts of the cables. Cable main parts. One cable inside have so many parts is there. But main parts of the cable is maximum 4 parts. Inner cable, inner side conductor, copper type conductor. We have the two types of conductor, copper type and aluminum type. Both maximum using in copper type because copper is the good conductor. There is less resistance. Okay, so we can using maximum in copper conductor. This is the conductor inner side. After conductor insulation, conductor covering insulation, and then after all conductor inner cells and over cells, outer cells. 4 type, 4 parts is available in this. Another armor also coming, but armor some cable have coming armor and some cable have not coming in armor. So I will not mention this one. Important parts of the cable is over of cell, inner cell, conductor covering insulation, and inside of the cable is conductor. So conductor is 2 types, copper types and aluminum types. Golf maximum using in copper type conductor. This slide clear about this one. Okay, next one, classification of cable, types of the cable. How many cables are available in project, building, in construction line? So we have available in 3 types of cable: electrical power cable, control cable, instrumentation cable. Instrumentation cable. Okay, so this is also available 2 parts: normal cable and fiber optical cable. Okay, so electrical cable, electrical power cable, control cable and instrumentation cable. We have the classification of cable. How many types of cable? If the interview is asking classifications of the cable or how many types of cable, tell like that. That time you can tell 3 types of cable: electrical power cable, control cable and instrumentation cable. Very simple, short. You can interview time always you can using in short time correct answer. This is the help of your interview. You cannot give the long definition is there. In writing time you can writing in long definition, but in the interview time you should be follow the timetables also. So you can shortly answer in correct time and correct answer. Okay, so question is 2 types is coming in interview time. Classification of cable, ask like that, or how many types of cable, asking like that. That time you can told 3 types: electrical power cable, control cable and instrumentation cable. Only tell like that. If the again asking instrumentation cable, inner how many types, that time you can explain this one. Main 3 types only. Okay, so clear about this one. Next one, so diagram of the cable. Electrical power cable, this is electrical power cable, copper type and 2 core, this is 2 core. Okay, and another is normal instrumentation cable. Normal instrumentation cable already have the numbering system. You can see there is writing number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So this is coming 1 core to 48 cores. Control cable and instrumentation cable is coming 1 core to 48 core. Then power cable is coming 1 core to 4 core only. 1 core to 4 core. Only coming 1 core to 4 core. Okay, 1 core to 4 core in power cable coming. but instrumentation and control cable is coming 1 core to 48 core. So this is the normal type, armored type cable, control instrumentation cable, fiber optical cable. This is the fiber optical cable. So fiber optical cable is using in sensitive analog system. Sensitive, important. There's types of signals we can using in fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable inside have the fiber glass. So we cannot make the bend is more. So be care of termination time. Fiber optical cable. Okay. So in this one, all cable wires have the number in H per number. You can termination 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like termination plate also have the number, and termination area also have the number in. So you can termination like that. Cable wire also have the number, and terminal plate also have the number. So you can termination like that. Okay. And next one, power cable. First, we are the electrical section, so we should be take the knowledge of power cable. Types of electrical power cable. How many types of? So electrical power cable is types is two types: armor types and non-armor types. Armor types means inside have the armor like that. This is the armor. Insulation, armor, inner insulation. This is outer insulation, armor, inner insulation, and cable core insulation. Inside have the conductor. In armor cable, parts is 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Armor cable. And non-armor cable. Non-armor cable have the no armor, only insulation. Outer insulation, inner insulation, and conductor insulation, conductor. So there have the 4 parts. Non-armor cable have 4 parts, but armor cable have 5 parts. Armor is 8. Okay, armor means this is coming in armor types, armor and non-armor types. No coming in armor. Clear about this one. Okay. So armor, inside the armor we have 4 types of armor. Very important this one. Very important this one. Okay. XLP type, AWA type, CWA type, SWA type. So what full form XLP? Cross-linked polyethylene. Cross-linked polyethylene. Okay. And AWA, aluminum type wire armor. Copper type wire armor. SWA, steel type wire armor. So we have the all types of armor cable is available here. This is the XLP. First one is XLP. This is XLP type armor cable. And next one is aluminum type. This is the aluminum type armor. This album is only. Conductor is copper. This is conductor is aluminum. Okay. So this is the aluminum type. And next one, copper type armor. You can see this is also coming in copper. And steel type armor. This is the steel type armor. We have the 4 types of armored cable. XLP, CWA, AWA, and SWA. And they are available 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. Armored cable also available in 4 core, and non-armored cable also available in 4 core. Standard core. Okay. So you can check the armor. This is copper type. This is steel type. This is aluminum type. This is XL type. Clear about this slide. Okay. I am only recap for this is the important topic, so I will recap. Next one. What is core in cable? So many interview asking like that in cable section. Cannot give the correct answer. So that time you can tell core. What is core in cable? Number of the wire inside the cable or quantity of the wire inside the cable. It's called core. Short answer. Number of the cable inside the number of the wire inside the cable. Suppose this is one cable, full is one cable, and number of the wire inside have wire 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 core. If only 2, this is 2 core 1, 2. So number of the wire inside how many quantity. So this is the wire. What is core in cable? That time you can tell number of the wire inside the cable is called core. Or quantity of the wire inside the cable is called core. You can give the short answer. Okay. So in power cable, we are already explained 4 coming up to 4 core, 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. This is the single core. Sometimes single core. 1 core means single core. This is single core. Single core maximum we can using in transformer to outgoing, MB room or LB room. Single core maximum using in there. Okay, transformer to outgoing in big industries or power plant. Single core we can using in there. 3 core. There is core color code also. We can check there. This is using for the yellow green, using for the earthing. Red is using for phase. Black is using for neutral. This is the very simple 3 core we can using in single phase power using area, single phase DB, single phase equipment, single phase device we can using in these types of cable. 4 core, there have the 4 core already. So this is red, yellow, blue, and earthing. Especially these types of cable is using in motors, 3-phase motor in industries or building, 3-phase motor, where is no need to use neutral. That time we can using in, this is using for the earthing, another one is using for, another 3 is using for the phase purpose, one is using for the earthing purpose. Okay, especially this types of cable is using in 3-phase motor in industries, power plant, big motor, not in our house motor. We can using in single phase in water pump motor. So agricultural motor, somewhere we can using in 3-phase, somewhere we can using in single phase also. Okay, so water pump we can using single phase. But in single phase and 3-phase, earthing is required. Earthing is the important. Okay. Next one, sizes of cable, very important topic. This is also concern in cable gland also. That time also you need to size of the cable. Sizes of the cable. This you can keep in your mind. This is not coming in serial. You can note and keep it your mind. Important for interview. Okay. So cables are measurement by square mm. Length is measurement by mm, centimeter or meter, kilometer. Okay. So cable is measured by square mm. Okay. Always this is measured by square mm. So all are square mm. Actually cable is coming 1.5. Nowadays 1.5 is maximum not using. So this is no, we can fix there. Starting is 2.5 to 1000 square mm. So not in serially coming, only 20 types of. This is 2.5 to 1000 mm, only 20 types is coming. Some cable are coming 3.5 4.5 also, but this is not standard. This is not mentioned. This is not clear. Only you can knows about the standard electrical power cable sizes. This is the standard sizes. It's for this size we can using in gland also. Gland chapter is coming. I will explain about this one. Okay. So here two mark is you can see in two mark. Cross mark with red signal and right mark with blue signal. Red signal means no available and blue signal means available, have. Right means have and cross means no have. So this is power cable. We are already complete. Four core, 1, 2, 3 and 4 core, up to 4 core. So between the 4 core, some cables are only single core and some cables are only 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Among this one, we have the sizes of cable, but maximum all are coming in 4 core, but some cable is not coming in single core and some cables are not coming in 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Okay, so you can see 2.5. There is 2.5 to 35 square mm is coming single core, not coming in single core. Okay, not coming in single core. Cross, red cross means not coming in single core. 2 core, 3 core and 4 core is available. Have. As per your requirement, as per equipment requirement, as per phase requirement, you can utilize in 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Okay, and 50 to 300 available. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are available. 300 up to 300, 50 mm to 300 mm. You can see this is all available in 1 core also have, 2 core also have, 3 core also have, 4 core also have. All are we can available in this one. 50 to 300. Okay, 50 to 300. After 400 to 1000, 400 to 1000. This is only single core. 400 we can available up to 3 core. 4 core is maximum is not available because this is very big. So bending time problem, in termination time problem. So if the square mm is going to up, this means cable's core is coming big. You can think like that. Okay, you can think like that. So in 500 to 1000 only single core is available. 2 core no, 3 core no and 4 core no have. Only single core. We are available only single core. Okay, so notes clear. I will give to red marking and cross. This means not available. And blue marking right. This means available. So you can clear about this one. Tailing is light gas, not seen in there. 2.5, 4 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm, 16 mm, 25 mm, 35 mm, 50 mm, 70 mm, 95, 120, 150, 185, 240, 300, 400, 500, 630, 800, 1000. You can keep in your mind like that, in your mouth. Okay, any interview asking you, so you can hear about this one. Important for you. Glanding time, you should be check the sizes of cable. So all cable sizes is writing outside of the insulation. There is writing 1 core 4 mm square or 2 core 10 mm square, like that is writing. So outside insulation is writing in number. You can check in there, not measurement by the tape. No need to measurement by the tape. Outside already marking give the writing. 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. Insulation. This is cable outside insulation. Okay, not inside writing, only outside writing in somewhere. You can check in there. You can find out. Okay, check their writing place. You can find out it there. Yes, clear. So this is the very important. Okay, you can remember this one. Keep it in your mind. Next one. Control. Control cable. Okay. Controls cable. So some project you have the chances of working also controls cable also, control panel also. If the chances good for you, okay, because controls work is working only technician. Electrician and auto technician is different. Electrician working in building or industrial project in power cable, but technician working in auto control system and control panel also. Okay, some project you can chances to work this work also. Same like power cable, but this is very mind. You can more mind using in controls and instrumentation cable, because they are inside coming one cable inside coming 48 ports and 50 PRs also. So this all have the numbering system and termination system. But power cable only 4 core is coming. Very easy to identify it with color code. We can check the color code, H per color code, we can termination. But this is numbering to checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. All number is coming. PR is coming. 1 PR, 2 PR, 3 PR, 4 PR. All are coming in like that. And very small sizes is coming. Not coming in power cable is like a big size. There is running only 24 volt DC. Not in big voltage is running there. Only digital signals, analog signals and BMS, building management system, using in this wire. We can using in, this is for analog system, signals, some auto signals control system and digital signal system. We can using in controls cable. Okay. So control cable are used to carry digital signal from the device panel to the main contract panel. Okay, control panel. We can using in these types of cable. Core of cable and pair of cable. This is two types of control cable. It's two types: core types and pair types. Core types means available 1 core to 48. 1 core also coming, 2 core also, 3 up to 48. Okay, and pair cable 1 pair to 50 pair coming like that. 1 pair to 50 pair. Pair means two cable twist together, 1 pair. Suppose this is the 3 pair cable. 3 pair. This there have the 6 wire. You can see there is 6 wire. 3 pair. Pair means 1 couple. 2 wire is 1 pair. 4 wire means 2 pair. 6 wire means 3 pair. So this is the 3 pair cables. Clear about this one? Okay. So this is available size is this one, 0.5 mm square to 4 mm square, 0.5, 0.75, 1 mm, 1.5, 2.5 and 4 mm. Okay, so these are available. As per site requirement, we can using in sizes of the cable. And pair cable also coming in same sizes, 0.5, 0.7, 1 and 1.5 up to 1.5. 2.5 or 4 mm is maximum not coming in pair cable. Okay, so we can using in as per site requirement. Is it clear? Okay, next one. Instrumentation cable, this is using also signals and analog signals and digital signals also using. This is also available in 3 types: normal core cable, PR cable and fiber optical cable. This is also available in 3 types. Okay, normal core cable are available, armored and non-armored. Both type is coming. I am already explained what is armored cable and what is non-armored cable. This is armored cable. This is non-armored cable. Armored cable inside have the armored. Non-armored no have armored. Only insulation. Armored and non-armored. Okay, you can clear about this one. And PR cable. I am already show the PR cable. PR cable is, this is the PR cable. This one is PR cable. PR cable. Okay. And next one is fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable. This is the fiber optical cable. You can check. This is the fiber optical cable. So fiber optical cable inside have coming armored, insulation, and after coming in fiber glass. This is fiber glass. Fiber glass inside have the cable conductor. That is using for digital signals or analog signals. So sensitive signals we can using in like that. And nucleus power plant. One tank, big tank, we can put the water inside the tank in thermal power plant and make the heat stream, make the heat, and after coming stream and running temperature of the stream. That's types of cable we can using in this one. Not coming in good signals. So if you make the termination and bending, that time you can slowly bend like that, like that, like that, and like that. Full bend, not in L bend. Okay, make the full bend and termination like that. And cable pulling also, time also be clear about this one, fiber optical. Another one is any types of bend, not issues, but fiber optical you can care about this one. Okay. So next one, cable color code. Just before class, I will explain about this one. We have the 2 types of cable color code: old cable color code and new cable color code. 2 types of color code. Okay, old. This is also tell UK standard, and this is Europe and America standard also. 2 types of cable is available in Gulf: UK standard cable and American or Europe standard cable. So maximum this cable is found in UK and America cable is found this types of color code. Sorry, America and Europe. UK coming in these types. Okay, so we can check the color code and termination. First, not confusing about this one, new color code and old color code. First, if you going to termination in cable, first you can remove the insulation of cable and check the inside core color code. Which types of color code is inside the core? As for this one, you can termination. If old color code core is inside, you can follow old color code. If the new color code cable is inside, cable core inside, you can follow new color code termination. Okay, so termination time, first you can check the cable inside core color code. Okay, so maximum we can using in this is building. Maximum building we can using in this types. This is coming, and power plant project and some motors is coming. This like data color code. Some 3-phase motors are coming in same like that color code. You can follow as per this color code. Okay. So single face in a old color code, single face, red, yellow, blue to anyone using for face purpose, which is inside have the core. Okay. Black is new using for the neutral, and green and yellow using for the earthing purpose. So earthing should be required in wiring system in Gulf or our country also nowadays. Earthing is safe to electrical shocks, lightning to, and especially earthing is need for the fans and motors which have the coil system, coil winding system. These types of system we require the earthing, and in our house also require the earthing for electrical shocks and lightning problem. Okay. So earthing you can should be using in earthing in wiring time. And new color code bron is coming single face purpose, and blue is coming neutral purpose, and green and yellow green is coming earthing purpose. Earthing is same. Here is only difference is two things. Okay. Black in old color code, black using for neutral, and new color code, black using for the line 2. Only difference is this one. So don't confuse this one. You can remove the insulation of the cable, check the cable color, cable core color code inside. As per this one, you can termination. Very easy formula this one. You can use this formula. Okay. Not problem of you. You can check the cable, do like that. So we can available these types of color code. These types of color code is available. Okay. Clear about this one. Okay. So next one. Any questions? Any questions of you? You give me some questions. I am again recap. This is the important topics. So I will recap to you about the cable. So cables, we can clear about the types of cable and using purpose, sizes of cable, types of armor cable, sizes of power cable, and sizes of control cable, instrumentation cable, and cable color code. We can clear about all this in this syllabus. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear. So any questions about the cable, you can ask me. I will give to reply for you. Any questions have, you can give me. Okay. So tomorrow too, we are starting. Tomorrow our topic is cable pulling. Cable pulling also our topics. Okay. So tomorrow we are discussing about the cable pulling. How to pulling the cable tray and trains. I will explain about this one. And next tomorrow too, we are starting the gland. We are starting glands. So any questions? I hope all of you are clear because this is the recap class. Okay, wish you all the best. See you in next class. Thank you.